Hello everyone, if you're trying to play GTA 5 and your game will not launch, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix GTA 5 not launching on your computer easily. So first off, you need to make sure that GTA 5 is not running on your computer. So just right click on your taskbar, click Task Manager and just search for GTA 5 on here. And as you can see, it's not running. Now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu and right here Windows Security, and then you're going to go to your virus and threat protection settings. You're going to click manage settings on here, scroll down, click add or remove exclusions, click yes, click add an exclusion, click folder. Now go to your GTA's directory. Here it is for me. Just click select folder on here. After that, open up your web browser, go on to this link. I'm going to put this link into the description of the video. You're going to download this RAR file. Here it is, just download it, and once it's done downloading, open it up, and once you're in it, open the folder. Now extract all of these files into your GTA's directory. So here it is for me, click OK. Now you can go ahead and play your game and you'll see that your game will work correctly. You will not get that problem anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.